If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Rocket League, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to help reduce stuttering and enhance performance. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest drivers can significantly improve game performance and stability. Step 2. Adjusting game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Rocket League. Go to the settings menu and reduce options such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This can help the game run smoother, especially on low-end systems. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Rocket League, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources and lead to stuttering. Step 4. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can resolve performance issues. Step 5. Check network connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, as Wi-Fi can introduce latency and packet loss. Additionally, consider closing any bandwidth-heavy applications during gameplay to improve online performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stability while playing Rocket League. Enjoy your gaming experience.